Inside this advanced desert simulation zone, the camels rest in comfort.
Only naturally shed fibers are gathered. No harm, no force, just patience and precision.
From the care zone to the heart of innovation, every step is connected. Nature and technology, working in perfect harmony.
Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how desert gold, camel wool finesse, is processed from farm.
After careful collection, the camel wool arrives at our processing facility, where quality inspection begins immediately. Each batch of camel wool is checked for purity, softness, and fiber length. Advanced sorting systems separate the finest camel wool fibers for luxury production.
Even with automation, skilled hands ensure every strand of camel wool meets our standards.
Precise measurements of camel wool ensure consistency in every production cycle. Before cleaning, camel wool passes through a gentle air filtration system to remove natural debris. The camel wool is then prepared for deep cleansing in temperature-controlled washing units. Specialized eco-solutions clean the camel wool while preserving its natural softness. Carefully regulated drying protects the delicate structure of the camel wool fibers. Now fully cleaned and prepared, the camel wool is ready for its transformation into premium textile. Once cleaned, the camel wool enters the carding stage, where fibers are aligned into soft, continuous layers. This process ensures every camel wool strand runs in the same direction, enhancing strength and smoothness. The aligned camel wool is then formed into soft slivers, preparing it for precision spinning. Technicians carefully monitor environmental conditions to maintain the natural integrity of the camel wool. Drawing machines gently stretch the camel wool, ensuring even thickness and consistency.
Premium camel wool fibers are blended precisely to achieve the perfect balance of softness and resilience.
Tension control systems prepare the camel wool for spinning by stabilizing fiber alignment. With precision engineering, the camel wool moves toward the spinning phase. Each movement preserves the natural luxury of the camel wool.
Now perfectly aligned and refined, the camel wool is ready for its full transformation into premium yarn. The refined camel wool now enters the spinning phase, where delicate fibers are transformed into strong, luxurious yarn. Precision twisting strengthens the camel wool while preserving its natural softness. Automated systems ensure every meter of camel wool yarn maintains perfect consistency. Each strand of camel wool is tested for durability before moving forward. Whether kept natural or enhanced, the camel wool retains its distinctive golden warmth.
The structure of camel wool allows for even absorption without compromising texture.
Heat stabilization ensures the camel wool yarn maintains shape and resilience.
The finished camel wool yarn is now prepared for fabric formation.
Thread by thread, camel wool transforms into a fabric known for luxury and warmth. From fiber to fabric, camel wool becomes desert gold.
Before becoming a final product, every roll of camel wool fabric undergoes detailed inspection.
The natural softness of camel wool is carefully verified by both machine and human touch.
Advanced cutting systems shape the camel wool fabric with absolute precision. Each camel wool piece is assembled using reinforced stitching techniques for lasting durability.
The camel wool products are finished with signature branding that reflects their heritage.
Steam finishing enhances the natural drape and elegance of camel wool.
Automated systems ensure each camel wool product is folded with care and consistency.
Every camel wool product is packaged to preserve quality during transportation.
Each camel wool package receives a unique tracking code for complete traceability.
The journey of camel wool continues as it prepares to reach customers worldwide.
Before leaving the facility, every camel wool product undergoes a final quality inspection. Seams, texture, and strength of the camel wool are examined down to the finest detail. The natural insulating power of camel wool is scientifically verified for maximum comfort.
Durability tests confirm that camel wool maintains resilience even under repeated use.
Camel wool naturally regulates moisture, ensuring breathability in every climate. Only certified camel wool products move forward to distribution. Camel wool products are organized and prepared for delivery across the world.
With precision and care, camel wool leaves the factory for its global journey. From desert origins to modern innovation, camel wool travels from our hands to yours.
This is the complete journey of camel wool, crafted with care, perfected with technology, and delivered with pride. This video by Next Inside Process contains AI-generated visuals created for educational and documentary purposes.